Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is March the 27th and I'm using my new Magic Scalper trading system. This system uses Heikin-Ashi candles, great for showing you the direction that the market is moving in, and also has a super signal indicator. That's these arrows. You will get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here suggesting either to buy or sell. Now every morning, where this vertical line is, 6 a.m. New York time, I'm in front of the computer getting ready to trade a combination or the continuation of the London session going into the New York session. Of course, I'm looking at my daily trade plan, and once I make a decision, I want to be buying or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan running in real time. I love it as I no longer have to check on the higher time frames. So all the way from 30 minutes all the way up to the monthly, it's doing calculations. And of course, after it adds everything up, inside the comments it'll say either look for bearish or bullish trades, or some of them will even be preferred, and of course sometimes there's just not enough strength. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are still struggling. If you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's run a check on these trades I've taken today. First one is the Dow Jones. This one I wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow, daily trade plan, super signal. So I took the trade here. Now I was distracted around the house here. Should have closed out around here. But anyhow, it still turned into a winner. Does pay $5 for each tick, so looking at the money, easy to see it should be 20 ticks. So let's go and look for that 20 ticks. There it is right there, 20 ticks, and that paid out $100. I want to show you a tool. I call it the FibMaster tool. It works great, especially will help you traders who are struggling. All you got to do is click on this tab. You're just going to go swing low to swing high. And then there's a pullback right here. Hit entry 3. So you can get in anywhere in this general area. And if general rule, if it hits entry 1, 2, or 3, it usually will hit 2, 3, 4, 5. And on many days, it'll hit even higher. And on this day, it hit target number 7. Now it does go up to 10 targets. It is much better than the standard default one that comes with the MT4 platform. It does come with a full course of 30 training videos showing you exactly how to trade using this tool. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro New Zealand. This one I wanted to be selling it, so let's see where I got in at. So there's the arrow, daily trade plan, super signal. This is the way the market moves, does a pullback and then continues working its way down. When I take the trade, I'm usually 95% sure I have a winner. So let's see what this turned out to be. On this day, looks like 21 pips, and those pips paid out $126. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Another one I wanted to be selling. There's arrow, daily trade plan, super signal. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn all the secrets and you have all the proper tools. Without the proper tools and education, you will fail at trading. So I took the trade at that cursor and I closed it out here just being happy. Looks like with 20 pips, and those 20 pips paid out $147. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Another one I wanted to be selling. So let's see where I got in first of all. Here was that little cycle back up and then started to go down. Did one more cycle. Problem is you never know how many cycles it's going to do. But eventually I knew it was going to drop. So I took the trade at this cursor. Close it out here, just being happy. Looks like with 26 pips. That paid out $176. Now for the rest of the trades, they're futures, the indexes. As you can clearly see, they move the most and they pay the most. So here we go. Next one is crude oil. So let's go and run a check on that. Here it is here. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. I bought all the rest of them. So I knew that there was a chance it was going to do this bit of a pullback, and getting in anywhere over here would have been a little bit better. Not a big deal. And it does pay $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, well, this should be 32. So let's go and look for those 32 ticks. There it is right there. 32 ticks paying out $320. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is gold. Gold pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, this should be 45. So let's go and look for those ticks. Wanted to be buying it. I knew there was going to be a pullback. That's what it was doing right here. By the way, you could trade a pullbacks. I teach that in the videos. In other words, getting approximately, that looks like around 96 ticks, depending on where you get in. But I waited for the pullback, and I knew it was going to stall out at a certain point and then carry on its way up. So what I say, it should be 45. So let's go and look for those 45 ticks. There it is right there. 45 ticks paying out $454. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. Dropped it down to 5 minutes because it's hard to get a reading on this. So let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it. Very clear the market's going up. Made a move, pull back. I was hoping it was going to break the top and keep going. But you can only get out of the market what the market will give to you. So I took the money, divided it by $3.75, so that's 3.75. Calculator says it should be 180 ticks. So let's go and look for those 180 ticks. And that's as close as I'm going to be able to get. But it is 180 ticks, paying out $675. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. So easy to see, it should be 68 ticks. Wanted to be buying it. So there's your pullback. And of course, there's your arrow. So let's see where I got in at. Arrow. Got in at this point, and then of course it did a cycle at this point in time, which was 10 a.m. New York time. Did a little spiking, not a big deal. I knew it was going to continue on its way up. What did I say? Should be 68. There it is right there, 68 ticks, paying out $680. I can show you that fib tool again. A lot of traders love it, and the reason why it works is because millions of traders are using it all over the world. So all you do is just click on this tab, swing low, go to the swing high. Here's your pullback. So getting in anywhere around the goal line, preferably probably around entry 3, and it did hit all the way up to target number 6. If you have any questions about this FibMaster tool, well, just get in contact with me. So it was another great day of trading using my magic scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and ticks, mainly because of this DAX 30. Grand total came to 412, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,678. So if your system's not producing like the Magic Scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions, quite simple, just get in contact with me. Now, if you look right below this video, there's a banner, the word more. Just click on that. It'll open up another box with my contact information and a lot of other information. Now, you can pick up the phone and call me directly, or you can just send me an email. Now, I really do prefer Skype, so I made it easy for you. There's a link. All you got to do is click on the link. We will have Skype connection, and through Skype connection, I'll be able to answer your questions. Remember, you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Of course, when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you will still struggle to succeed at trading. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Of course, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Please keep that in mind. Just get in contact with me if you have any questions on what I just said. Now, also in the description, you'll find 4 different packages. I go into great detail explaining everything that I teach in each package. And each package I charge $250. I have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.